Hello and welcome to our tutorial on watching for deep changes in Vue.js reactive objects. Vue 3 introduces the Composition API, which provides us with the reactive and watchEffect functions. Let's start by importing these from the Vue library. Here, we're creating a reactive object named state. It's structured with nested properties, including a user object that has a name, an age, and an address object. The address object itself includes street and city properties. Thanks to Vue's reactivity system, any changes made to these properties will be tracked. Next, we're setting up a watchEffect. This function will run immediately to track our reactive state object and execute the provided callback every time a change occurs. By setting the option Deep True, we're telling Vue to watch for changes in all nested properties, not just the top-level ones. To demonstrate the deep watch functionality, let's change the city property within the nested address object. Well, update the value to Vuexopolis. As soon as we make this change, the watchEffect callback is triggered. It logs the updated state object to the console, including our new city value. This confirms that Vue's deep watch feature is monitoring and responding to changes at any level within our reactive object. It's important to understand that deep watchers can come with a performance cost, as Vue has to recursively track dependencies for each nested property. However, this is a powerful tool for cases where watching nested changes is necessary. This wraps up our tutorial on watching deep object changes with Vue's Composition API. By leveraging Reactive and watchEffect, we can create complex and responsive applications. Stay tuned for more Vue.js tips and tricks.